Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Tesla Model 3 tail light. First, ensure you have your new tail light assembly and the right tools, like a trim removal tool. Always power off your vehicle and engage the parking brake to ensure safety throughout the process. Familiarize yourself with the tail light's location and its mounting points before you begin any work. Now, let's get that old tail light out. Begin by opening your trunk and carefully locating the access panel situated close to the tail light assembly. Gently pry open this panel using your trim removal tool. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by firmly pressing its release tab. Finally, unscrew the two mounting bolts that hold the tail light in position. With the old unit removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new tail light assembly into the opening, ensuring all mounting points align correctly. Now, secure the new tail light by reinserting and tightening the two mounting bolts you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks firmly into place to ensure a secure connection. Before you're all done, it's crucial to test everything. Power on your Tesla and verify that all tail light functions are working correctly, including your brake lights, turn signals, and running lights. Once confirmed, carefully reinstall any trim panels or covers you removed during the process. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.